Hey, so money man, Joe. Try as hard as you can with Bulali. Have problems, have mental problems, but it's not really you are show. Nyakulela, but I see the money piling up. It's not so bad at all. It's not so bad at all. So
let me tell you, I don't think as people like I think when you reach it, it's different.
Yeah.
I don't want to lie.
Yeah.
When you reach it, it's different.
Because Maravel,
yeah.
The mundo you are funerally dignified.
Because now you cry.
Yeah, but you're
and there's tunes. Dignified.
But you me with death, he change the food because sometimes it depends on the relationship. And so, but imagine maybe it's not even your parents. Like this nigga saw you getting rich, saw you getting down, saw you getting there. Or a lot of rich food is permanent, and then voodoo. Very same nigga, no big up. You as that gent. So only 300 billion, man, billion. So you're gonna somehow, man, uzoba down. You're not gonna see the worth of this money with Dave Zangeko or Usitungeko. It's like this shit we're pushing right now. Yeah, well, it's gonna be art.
The funny part would say
yeah, man. Sitha would have wanted. Sitha would have wanted that. Effectively, so Sitha would have wanted that, and then let's go back to my man. Sitha would have wanted that man, Masusu Usithi, out of the picture. And so, Sesida ngayo, yabo, singwa sethu.
Uzovu madam.
Uzoqhubeka.
No, ngisholo. Let's say ufile uzovuma. Like this misconception, you know, okay, if someone will feel and then but like, that person would have laughed you if over a musician. Continue with that path, whatever. What if you against you, like your path, musician or what? Because
the person giving you the compliment.
Yeah.
Yo. That's straight up.
Because we're thinking they're giving you good blessings. They support you.
Hey,
Ball man!
Yo,
what if?
Yeah.
What if dropping chairs?
Hey, Bana, that is actually true, Joe.
Because just because Shonil doesn't mean maybe so clean. What mean you open water? Good news like a man when think about it. Yeah.
Many people do buy and some savings, but I can't. But when I think that I got to flat.
Yeah, good game.
Marubu, take good time and as go away and please. Go on, the wedding easy. Young son, now who's born in a good die? Go blind, man. Go blind. Go tense, go load shit, Gunyama, Maramiki, Ganjani, yabo. So, yeah, we can see that you're going to show it down. We can see. And so, because it's more of, hey, man, I can see the joke. Because my singing is bigger. Imagine, so I'm a productions work, and then we change the sequence. That is, that's like, otherwise, YOLO. What you doing with my shit, though? But Mount Jiga, shit turns also. Shit turns also. You feel it, but when that box moves,
shit about to happen.
Yeah. You know, it's a pant with this bonnet. Oh, Joe,
shit is deep, it's deep.
Hey, down zero.
No way.
Down when you're hard.
Yeah,
like an iron.
Difficult.
When I'm down strong.
General Iron Man.
Yeah, my stuff.
Iron Man, you're born. That's when I'm down. When I'm down, that's what we see. Robocop. The first Iron Man.
Yeah.
Robocop.
What happened to that company? Robocop.
Trejo Tebujo from Turf Loop. but currently residing in Brakpan. I'm a scriptwriter and a filmmaker. I've always wanted to study film and TV production, but due to lack of funds, I ended teaching myself how to write scripts, shoot, edit, and direct short films and podcasts. I started a YouTube channel, Lang Tray Studio, where I shoot short films and podcasts on my Samsung